What I'm going to show you are two different styles of packaging for one of our popular products, the Deluxe Chart Stand. The first packaging I'm going to show you is what we currently have, and it takes a long time to take out of the box. Everything is packaged beautifully and arrives in one piece, but it does take a long time to get the parts out. The second one I'm going to show you is a single piece of pulp recyclable cardboard packaging that makes it very easy to take the parts out, but best of all, it's more environmentally sustainable. Because we're a B Corp, that's important to us. So let's get started.